Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best collapsible folding wagon carts of 2025. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Collapsible Folding Wagon Cart 150L. Heavy-duty garden cart with all-terrain wheels, portable large-capacity utility wagon cart for camping, fishing, sports, shopping, black. Large capacity and widely used. This collapsible wagon cart with unfold full-size, 38.2-inch L x 20.5 W x 39.8 H really has deeper and larger storage space. It can be widely used for camping, fishing, beaches, parks, barbecues, shopping, taking the parcels, etc. Sturdy and premium quality, made of 600D Oxford fabric with PVC coating. This collapsible garden cart is not only very easy to clean, but also will not tear easily when you put something sharp inside. Adjustable handle. The handle length of this folding wagon cart can be extended from 28-inch to 39.8. The angle also can rotate smoothly as you need. The handle locks in place with a joint, so no need to worry about it drops or the cart out of control. Flexible front wheels. This wagon cart front wheels is designed with 360 degrees rotating to make sure it can move smoothly on different kinds of terrains. Even children can push and pull it easily. Quick setup and collapse. The outdoor wagon cart with a compact design can be set up and folded in seconds without using tools. Just push center to open and pull center to fold it. It is easy to operate and transport. Number 2. Collapsible Foldable Wagon Cart. 220 pounds weight capacity, lightweight and portable folding utility grocery shopping cart with wheels for shopping, sports, camping, beach and garden, black. Upgraded design. Foldable wagon. Introducing the Sciosio wagon carts with wheels, a lightweight champion that offers heavyweight performance. Our collapsible wagon features the latest design that allows for easy folding and unfolding. With unfolded dimensions of 35.4 inches by 27.5 inches by 16.7 inches and folded dimensions of 26.5 inches by 16.9 inches by 5.9 inches, it is compact and convenient to store when not in use. Whether you need to store it in a small closet or transport it in your car trunk, it won't take up much space. High-quality materials. Crafted from high-quality alloy steel and durable 600D Oxford cloth, our wagon is strong enough to carry up to 220 pounds of your belongings. The removable 600D Oxford canvas used for the cart is not only waterproof but also easy to clean, ensuring durability for long-term use. Easy to fold and carry. Our folding wagon can be easily set up or folded down in seconds, making it incredibly convenient for transportation and storage. Weighing only 11 pounds, it is easy to carry and transport wherever you go. People of all ages can effortlessly. Number 3. Collapsible Wagon Cart with Wheels Foldable. Folding wagons carts with silent universal wheels, large grocery cart on wheels, heavy-duty utility for shopping, beach, sports, fishing, camping, black. Large capacity, durable collapsible wagon. The collapsible wagon has an expansion size of 26.1 inches by 16.9 inches by 36.6 inches, L*W*H, and load up to 220 pounds, which can carry all the goods your family needs for outdoor camping. The wagon body is made of lightweight aluminum alloy. Compared to other products, our product is lightweight and strong, with anti-corrosion coating on the surface, which can prevent the body from rusting. Waterproof fabric. Waterproof and durable, tear-resistant, removable and washable. Removable all-terrain wheels. The wheels are made of high-quality material, suitable for any road surface, with built-in rolling bearings, easy to pull. Even with very little force you can easily pull the wagon. All-terrain wheels, whether on the beach, rainforests, gravel roads, can ensure that you are safe and comfortable to pass. Number 4. 200 pounds Wagons Carts Foldable Mini. Small collapsible wagon cart, portable wagon, lightweight utility wagon, foldable wagon, beach wagon with wheels, removable for shopping, sports, garden and grocery, black. Small wagons carts. This wagons has a capacity of about 80 L. It is small and light, and easy to use. If you need a larger and more versatile garden wagons carts, this is not your best choice. Viscamp has more styles for you to choose from. Lightweight and practical, the folded size of the wheeled cart is 27 by 16 by 6 inches, and it weighs only 11 pounds, which is easy for most people to lift. It can be used in most scenarios in life, such as shopping, sports, gardening, and grocery storage. The front side pockets can also be used to store smaller personal items, making it easier to find and avoid losing. Easily foldable, the heavy-duty beach wagon with wheels is equipped with a convenient folding handle inside, which can be easily folded with a light pull. The size of the grocery shopping cart is only 27 by 16.5 by 6.3 inches after folding. You can easily put it in the corner of the trunk of your car, allowing you to say goodbye to storage troubles and easily explore the wonderful outdoor life. Number 5. 38-inch L Collapsible Wagon Cart Foldable. For 50 lb weight capacity 220 L heavy-duty folding beach wagons with big all-terrain wheels, utility carts for groceries, shopping, camping, sports. The space capacity is 7.77 cu feet /220 L, 37.4-inch DX 24.21 WX 24.00H, 100% larger than other folding wagon carts, big enough for camping cooler, bags, etc. The folded size is only 1.36 cubic feet, more compact, easier to fold, whether in the car's trunk, closet, or garage. With the bottom pull cord, you can easily set up or put away this beach wagon in seconds. We also offer a Oxford cloth packaging, easy to store and carry. And this foldable cart features an stable innovative steering mechanism structure, restoring the swaying 3-point handle frame connection, resolving the problems of swaying side-to-side loss of control, and steering difficulties of similar carts, significantly enhanced stability and maneuverability. The rebound function keeps the handle upright instead of bending over to reach it. These designs make the wagon easy and stable to pull, steer, and maneuver. Suitable for all types of people. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.